Hello friends, today we're talking about box clutter. What is that? That's when you have boxes that you've saved because you might need them. Now, if you're getting ready to move and you're collecting boxes on purpose, that's different. But boxes that you've just stuck in your garage, stuck in the back bedroom, stuck in a closet because you might need them one day, those boxes need to go. You won't need them. If you do, they make boxes every day. You can find boxes every day. Let the boxes go. So today, when you are decluttering and you run across boxes, you break them down if you haven't already. If you have recycling, put them in there. If not, throw them away, or do whatever it is that you would normally do to get rid of boxes. Okay, don't save them for your aunt. Don't do that kind of thing. If you need to take them to your aunt because she's moving, put them in the back of the car and take them to her. But in the meantime, if you don't have any reason to have a box in the next month, get the boxes out of your life. You'll feel much better. Make it a great day.